Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable call recording on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So I'm provide full guide. If you don't get this option, I'm provide fix. So simply just open your phone apps, press on to keypad, three dot, showing you to settings. Okay, and follow this, but not showing you to exactly call recording option because it's not available all country. Okay, don't upset. So just open your Play Store, go to search option, search set to, just open your App Store, just open your Play Store, go to search option, search set to call recorder automatic. Okay, and you get these apps. So these apps download 100 million. Press on to install. At first need to install. Press on to open. Please don't skip my video. Press on continue to app. Press on accept. Press on to allow. Okay, and you just select this, set as default. Okay, overall setup showing it to incoming call, outgoing. Press on settings and make sure to enable call recording, enable outgoing, incoming. Okay, make sure select an overall setup, and now I'm calling a person. Okay, now call is recording. Just open these apps, continue these apps, and as you can see showing it to call recording. Easily check out call record. So that's it.